My name is Jenny, and I was in a car accident when I was 11 years old.
I'd always have knee pains, back pain.
A car ran over my back and I fractured my pelvic bone.
When I came to Rise, I was broken in every possible way, physically, mentally, spiritually.
For about 10 years, I tried to get help from physiotherapists, chiropractors. I saw so many specialists because I always had this chronic pain in my back.
I was a very bottled up person, very angry person. I knew I wanted to change and I knew I wasn't happy, but I didn't understand what steps I needed to take in order to become happy.
Before, I couldn't raise my hands above my head.
4 knee surgeries in 1 year on my left knee.
I had been searching. I knew there was something missing in my life, and I had done a little bit of searching and didn't find anything that really made the difference that I was searching for.
Shoulders, hips, knees, anything you can think of, my body probably was an absolute mess.
I was in a car accident where I was hit from behind.
I've dislocated my shoulder multiple times over the span of 10 years, to the point where my shoulder was hanging out of the socket, and surgery seemed to be the only option to get it fixed.
And I had really come to the point where I was accepting that I'd probably have to live with this pain for the rest of my life, and it was a question of just managing it.
Now I can do this and do pull-ups and chin-ups and stuff. So that's the difference.
Now I don't know how I managed without Rise.
Rise has helped me in areas of life that I never thought it could. Relationships with my girlfriend, with my family, with friends, business-wise, all kinds of different ways. More than I ever expected.
My knees feel like I'm a teenager again.
It wasn't until I met Rosa and came to Rise that things started to change for me.
I would say I'm more my actual self. What I actually am, rather than like fake images or illustrations of myself.
Rosa has been a blessing in my life.
I think what makes this place so sacred is basically that it feels like a sanctuary for people.
I'm definitely bringing more joy into my life.
Since I've been coming to Rise, it's been amazing.
Rise is the most amazing experience that I've ever had. She has given me the gift of me again. Although I always had it, sometimes we can lose our way, and that happened to me. So I'm really, really grateful for that.
It has changed my life.
With all the work that she's done on herself, she's able to give and give and give and evolve and teach and allow people to come into their own, because really it's about people understanding their own greatness and their own power.
And it's made a significant difference in all aspects.
I feel like Rise and Rosa has changed my life, and I just feel like I want to see her for the rest of my life.
I don't think I knew what my body was until I came here.
Rise is probably one of the best things that has happened to me in years.
It's a complete mental change as well as physical.
You always leave with a sense of direction and purpose, and there's always food for thought.
Overall, you leave with a sense of lightness and wellness.
Now I just feel more in tune with myself, my body, my soul, who I am, what I want to be, and my life's purpose.
Rise has really helped me to develop a relationship with myself, something that I've never had before.
Taking better care of myself. Again, Rosa's big on being kind to yourself, and that's something I take away every time I'm here.
It's improved my relationship with myself and the respect and the way that I treat myself.
The feeling is hard to explain, but you just feel better. It's coming from inside. You realize that everything that you were searching was already inside.
It just like makes you feel more solid of a person, and you not only look at yourself as stronger, you actually feel more confident with that strength.
My relationships with people I come across, particularly family and friends, understanding other people better, being more compassionate.
It seemed like she got inside of me and experienced what I was experiencing.
I think she's really taking away the formality of the training and allowed me to understand it's really about the relationship with myself.
I know how to handle myself in certain situations, whereas before I would go off the deep end.
It's translated beyond physical to more of a holistic sense in terms of your body and mind working as one.
It starts off being about body, but it gets into mind and the whole mind-body connection. And that's really the important thing, is the connection between mind and body.
I wanted to get here, but I was here. I just didn't know how to get there. Like this place seemed inaccessible to me.
I want to be somewhere where I feel that I should be there.
Now I feel like it is accessible, that it's within my reach, and I'm on my way to that place. It's a real place.
With Rosa's teaching, it gets you there eventually. You just have to be patient and listen to her and listen to what she says.
I recommend it to anyone who kind of, wants to be a better person, not just physically, but also spiritually and emotionally.
My experience has been life-changing. I feel like everyone's going to say that, but it's true.
I go to Rise to become a better person on who I am, to understand who I am and how my body should feel and how my body should be awake in the moment.
I come to Rise to get grounded, to move forward in life and evolve as a person, spiritually, emotionally, physically.
I come to Rise because from somebody who's always struggled with mental illness, so I've struggled with anxiety, depression, I've had an eating disorder for a long period of time. Rise has helped me to be free.
The benefits of this transiting in my life allows me to be more focused in everything I do, be it with my family, be it with my son, be it with my wife, be it with my job. It just helps me be aware and understanding of what's going on.
I feel like I'm my best self in these four walls, and it's because of the energy that she's created.
I went and seen therapists, or I'd always be recommended medication or something to just alleviate what I was going through, and I never really got to learn to have a relationship with myself.
She actually was looking at me.
Rosa gets to know you and what you need, and she can just do that by looking at you.
She takes into account your whole body. It's not just that particular area that you're having trouble with.
Rosa shows you the path. I don't know how she does it exactly. She has a gift, and she is willing to share that gift with you in a way that I have never seen in my life. And her generosity towards her clients is tremendous, and it is life-changing.
Rise has helped me find a direction into where I want to be and what I want to achieve.
In general, my life has become richer.
I have more patience and I have more love to give.
At the end of the day, she's really just looking to better my life in every way. She shows that through the type of friend that she is, through the giving of her stretches, through the giving of her advice, of the good word. And she just wants to spread it. She genuinely cares about me and about, I think, everybody that crosses or enters into these four walls.
I would probably recommend every person on the face of the earth to come here.
I would recommend every single person on this earth to go see Rosa at Rise.
I would recommend Rosa and Rise to absolutely every person on the planet.
I would recommend that anyone who's interested in growing come to Rise to open their bodies, open their minds, and heal themselves.
You maybe have something that you need to work on, then I would urge you to come to see Rosa. And do not hesitate. She's wonderful.
I would say that coming to Rise would help you get past any barrier you might potentially have in life.
But she's a great guide to help you along your journey.
If you're having a problem or struggling with something, definitely Rosa can help you. I can't even label what she does because it's so all-inclusive, which is one of the things that makes her so special.
People that are looking to improve themselves in any aspect of their life, this is the place to come.
Because I think people go through life without really understanding why they're going through life, and just going through the motions without being fully aware.
I believe that she's truly a gifted person. She has this thing that has been given to her.
Having gone through this experience, I know how important that is and what it's done for me, and I think it would do the world a whole lot of good if everyone was more in tune with their bodies and how they are and who they are and their level of happiness and their level of understanding and awareness of themselves, because I think the world would be a kinder, happier place if everyone was like that.
Rosa is positive energy, and she's the positive energy that everyone can benefit from having in their life.
You can open up to her and you can trust her, and that in turn helps you reach your goals faster.
You have to work with the exercises that she gives you and trust that things will fall into place. I am honestly an example of that.
If I had to describe myself before and now, that would be actually really hard, because I don't remember that me. It's like a really long time ago, and it's not a person I connect with anymore. It's just like a whole different person.
She really is affecting the greater good.
Rosa is a tool for life.
Rosa is my tool, actually, and she's my angel.
A day at Rise, when you leave, you're better off than when you came.
I have to thank Rosa for changing my life, because if it didn't, there's a possibility I could be dead.
Never lose hope. Never lose hope. That belief that you can be a better person and you can feel better, you need to hold on to that belief and come to Rosa, and she will guide you to a better version of yourself.
If you are in your life and you're in a place where you don't know who you are, or you want to know who you are, you want to know where you're going, if you want to find purpose in your life, if you want to be happy, genuinely happy, every day of your life and happy with who you are and love yourself, do it. Go to Rise.